Hi everyone, I wanted to show you this beautiful jewelry organizer. I travel a lot and I really needed a space where to put my jewelry, and I found this one. Look, you have the pink color and you have the gray color. I really love that they are this velvet material. It's looks very luxurious. I love that it's foldable. I'm gonna show you. Look at this. You have so many compartments and so many places to put all your rings, all your earrings, all your necklaces, bracelets, and everything you need. For me, it's very important that it's compact. You can put it in a bag, on your suitcase. If you want to gift it to someone, this is perfect. This is an amazing gift for Christmas, for a birthday, or for any other occasion. For jewelry lovers like I am, this is just perfect. I really love it. It has this fantastic look again, and I'm just in love with it. So I'm gonna show you a little bit closer how they look and how I organize everything, but I love it. This compact and lightweight jewelry organizer is amazing. It can be folded and it's very lightweight. So you easily put in your bag or suitcase. It's perfect for storing and organizing your favorite jewelry when you're traveling or on a business trip. It has a lot of capacity. You have 6 different zones, functional zones, and you have the zipper pocket in here, for example, where you could put, I put here, for example, my watch. So this is great. You also have 2 ring row, 1 earring panel in here, 1 small privacy zipper pocket. For example, here I put some of my earrings as well. I love that you have 2 clear zipper pockets here and 4 necklaces storage, all in one place and very well organized. So for me, it's very important. Everything is so well organized. You could put up to like 12 ring, at least 1 earring panels for at least 16 pairs of earring stud. And these visible pockets are just amazing. And also the necklace holders are just great. So I'm really happy with it. You put the necklace here and you just click it. And for me, it's perfect. I love because it has this soft and premium velvet exterior. It has a very cozy touch and a smooth silk feel. So it protects your jewelry from scratches and it's perfect. So I really love it. It's perfect for a gift. It looks very classy and you can choose between these 2 colors. So truly recommend it. I am truly in love with my beautiful jewelry organizer. I love it because I can put it everywhere, like even in my handbag. This is perfect. I can keep it, and this is it. So truly recommend it, and well, hopefully you get yours as well.